Hi for everyone there. Today I will talk about the most common repeated questions that can be asked during a direct interview based on my experience and the experience of some of my friends. So let's start by the first common repeated question, that is, what's the OOP? That stands for Object Oriented Programming. Let's say that it's a method of structuring a program that it aims to implement entities like abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Here, anyone know the object-oriented programming should know those four entities, because the one who will ask you about the object-oriented programming the same way will ask you about those four entities. Okay, so let's go to the next. Can I repeat the question? That stands for the allocation of memory and so on. The next one is garbage collection. The garbage collection is a process in which the interpreter frees memory when not in use, okay, to make it available for other objects. This is the garbage collection. The next, can we repeat the question, is what's pickling and unpickling? Let's say that the pickle module accepts any Python object and convert it into string representation and dump it using dump function. Okay, this process is called pickling, while the process of retrieving the original Python objects from the stored string representation is called unpickling. Okay, the next question is, what are functions? Anyone should know that a function is a block of code which only runs when it's called. Okay, in Python a function is defined using the def keyword. Okay, this is our function. This is how we call it to run it. Okay, we go to the next question. It is, what is lazy evaluation? Lazy evaluation means that the object is evaluated when it's needed, not when it's created. Okay, here in this point, anyone should know the difference between a list and a generator. A list stores all the elements when it's created, but a generator generates the next element using the yield when it's needed. Okay, and this is the list. The next question is, what are generators in Python? Generators, they are functions that return an iterable set of items. Okay, this is the definition of generators. The next common repeated question is, what are doc strings? Doc strings are a type of multi-line commands. For example, this is our function. Okay, we define it by the def keyword, and this is the name of our function. Here, the doc string of this function, we say that this function is to calculate the number of certificates. So this is a multi-line command. Indeed, the doc strings, they are used to describe a function, a method, a class, or a module that you use in your code. Okay, in the end of the video I will say that please concentrate much on the object-oriented programming, the abstraction, the inheritance, the polymorphism, and the encapsulation. Okay, and the allocation of the memory and so on. So here we are. We have reached the end of the video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with your friends to help them out. So good luck for all.